Coming days, many more San Diegans will be eligible to get a COVID-19 vaccine. But how do you know when it's your turn? And how do you sign up? ABC 10 News anchor Derek Stahl goes in depth to find the answers.
Right now, to find out if you're eligible for the shot, you have to go to the county health department's website, coronavirussd.com. There, you can find the breakdown of who's being vaccinated now and who's next. But with all the different phases and tiers, it's complicated. The county says the new CalVax system should simplify things. Soon, the state-run application will allow people to put in their information and find out when they're eligible, schedule an appointment, and sign up for email and text alerts.
I know this will alleviate tremendous anxiety.
County leaders say it should be up and running in the next week to 10 days.
We will be an early adopter, a pilot project. One of the very few counties that selected to go early.
Their plan is to start accepting signups from people 65 and older beginning the week of January 25th. That'll give seniors access to county-run sites like the Superstation at Petco Park. On the flip side, some individual healthcare providers like UC San Diego will start vaccinating that group sooner. Those providers will reach out to their patients directly. If that sounds complicated, it is.
We want to keep moving into the next phase or tier if an entity has extra vaccine doses and is ready to go, but at the same time, keep a little bit of that priority.
Dr. Christian Ramers is on the county's vaccine advisory group and says they're trying to balance speed with ethics.
We can't, when we open things a little bit wider, we can't lose sight of the fact that there really should be some priority to this, and that let's say an 85-year-old with an underlying condition is actually at much higher risk of COVID than a healthy 65-year-old.
In early February, the county hopes to open vaccinations to the next part of Phase 1B, people who work in education and healthcare, emergency services, and food and agriculture, including grocery and restaurant workers. We asked Dr. Ramers if those workers will have to show any sort of proof of their employment.
Anytime you introduce a complexity of like having to prove something, we realize that that can serve as a barrier.
He says the advisory group is still working out the recommendations on that, but
I don't want to make this something that is like a voter ID law that prevents people from voting. We want people to come in and get vaccinated.
Dr. Ramers says anyone who gets vaccinated should sign up for a CDC tool called vSafe. It sends text messages once a day asking about any potential side effects. Derek Stahl, ABC 10 News.